Hey guys, Greg from FactionFab, and today we're going to talk more about the FactionFab exhaust lineup. An exhaust is one of the best places to start modifying your car, especially for Subarus to attain that iconic rumble that everyone is after. But this is also one of the easiest things to install on the car and can be done with minimal tools and experience, and we'll even walk through how to do it later in the video. Earlier this year, we released an axle back muffler delete for the 2008 to 2014 WRX and STI sedan. And ever since then, we've had so much demand for other models that we decided to expand the selection. So now, we're going to give you an up-close look at the brand new axle back for the GR Hatchback, WRX, and STI. We're following the same high-quality production procedures that we had for our other exhaust pieces. So that means 304 stainless steel, 3/8 inch laser cut flanges, 1/2 inch hangers, hand TIG welded, and then all hardware and gaskets are included. And then you'll have your choice of two different tips. They will both be a double wall 3-inch tip, and then we have a polished straight arrangement or a burnt stainless staggered option, where the inside tip sticks out a little more than the outside tip to follow the bumper lines. These exhausts are all designed using 3D scanning and CAD technology, so that means each one is going to be proper fitment with optimal exhaust flow and a simple design. These will fit the 2008 to 2014 STI and the 2011 to 14 WRX Hatchback, or the wide body models with the stock quad tip exhausts. So let's go over and install this on the 2008 STI that we have here in the shop today. Here's some of the stuff you may need to do the install. A ratchet and open-ended wrenches with 14 and 15 millimeter sizes, a torque wrench, and then also you may need an exhaust hanger removal tool, a wire brush, or rubber mallet, though the last ones may be optional. The first step is to raise the rear end of the vehicle just to give yourself some room. It's very important to ensure proper safety procedure is followed when working underneath your car, including the use of jack stands or other safety equipment. Using a 14 millimeter, loosen the bolts connecting the mid-pipe to the muffler. Go ahead and leave the bolts in the holes until you're ready to remove the muffler. Remove the muffler brackets from the right side hangers. Then remove the muffler brackets from the left side hangers and be prepared that the exhaust may fall. Go ahead and remove the bolts from the flange and lift the muffler down. Clean the mid-pipe flange with a wire brush to remove any old gasket material. This is important to ensure a proper seal with the new gasket. Slip one of the clamps onto the middle end of the exhaust Y pipe, then slide the other exhaust pipe into the Y pipe, but do not tighten the clamp. Install the FactionFab exhaust on the rear hangers of the vehicle. The front ones will remain unused. Put a bead of anti-seize on the bolt and work it into the threads. Then install the gasket, bolts, and nuts on the flange, but do not tighten this all the way. This will be done in the last step. Slide the two remaining clamps onto the exhaust pipes, followed by the exhaust tips. Due to manufacturing and shipping, the tip may be a tight fit on the exhaust pipe, and use of light force may be necessary to get them in the proper position. The tips are designed to have a 3/4 inch adjustable variance in the depth and can be set to your taste. Also note that the burnt stainless option is a staggered tip, so there is a specific left and right where the inside tip should stick out farther than the outside. Orient the clamp for easy access while also giving clearance, then tighten the clamp with a 13 millimeter to 20 foot-pounds while making sure to not move the tip. Compare the vertical distance between the left and right tips and the bumper. This will rotate on the center exhaust connection. Once you have it right, tighten the center clamp to 20 foot-pounds. After your final adjustments have been made to the exhaust tips, have a friend hold it in the desired fitment location, then tighten the flange bolts with a 15 millimeter to 30 foot-pounds. Go ahead and drop the vehicle back to the ground and drive it and make sure there is still no contact with the bumper. We also recommend retorquing the hardware after 2 heat cycles. right, we hope you enjoyed the sound of your exhaust. Comment below or hit us up on Facebook or Instagram if you have any questions. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest FactionFab products. Thanks for watching.